Hello, and Joe Tritola here, and we're going to be going over the Ameritas Primestar Dental plans, and we're going to take a look at how to sell, quote, and enroll. A couple of disclaimers here. Go ahead and pause to read through them, and we'll get right into it. So, a couple of quick tips, a couple of little tidbits here, and this is for people that are selling in the Medicare market. It's always important to ask them if they currently have dental insurance. It gives you an idea kind of where the prospect is at. A couple of things to remember. Number one, work insurance may not be ending when they retire, may be ending when they retire. Number two, they may be on a spouse's plan. You want to be able to check into the portability when they transition over to Medicare. Oftentimes, believe it or not, when the person says they have a dental plan, come to find out they're paying $11 a month for it, which is clearly just a discount plan. And what we find in the marketplace out there is there's a lot of people that have gone uncovered for many years, especially our clients, our Medicare clients, people who don't have coverage through their employer or their spouse. And then, 5, 6, and 7, obviously, Medicare does not pay for routine, minor, or major dental care. Medigap does not provide a dental insurance benefit. And then for those of you that are selling in the Medicare Advantage arena, you've noticed over the years that in order to be competitive, the plans have included dental. However, as anyone who's been in the marketplace for a number of years know that the dental benefits do change from year to year. A lot of times the consumer gets into a situation where they have to change their health plan to a plan that doesn't have dental benefits. And then also, as you all probably are aware of, the dental networks can be thin depending on the area and the plan that they're in. And then without saying the name of an insurance carrier, a big one that is, the plans are dental reimbursement. Reimbursement means you got to pay the fees and then submit the claim to get paid back by the insurance company. And a lot of the people that buy the Medicare Advantage plans aren't in a financial position to do that. So basically, when it comes to selling dental, it's really easy with this plan. The Emeritus plan is not something that you have to sell to people. There are other dental plans, the indemnity plans out there, that I feel that you actually have to be a really good salesperson in order to encourage people to select them because of how they work. But not with this. This is, it's like the Honda of dental insurance. It basically sells itself simply because it works like any other traditional dental insurance plan. It's pure dental insurance. Secondly, there's no waiting period for major services. This is really huge to someone, not necessarily from a need basis. I know it's important that if somebody calls you up and says, I need to get an implant put in, I need to buy insurance for it. And that's, represents a very, very tiny bit of our marketplace. It's more of a psychological thing. The consumer's buying situation is not always that they want to buy something that's not going to work for a year or more, 18 months. They like to buy something that they know is going to work right away. So it's not necessarily that they need to use it immediately. It's the fact that in their minds, they want to know that it's going to work immediately if they need to use it. And that peace of mind is huge. Depending on the state, there are PPO plans that are available where you can go inside and outside the network. And then to lower the cost in some states, the Emeritus plan has an HMO plan, which is just designed for participating dentists that take that network. They won't be turned down at the window when they go to their dentist's office, when the guy or girl looks at their card. A lot of times, especially with the indemnity plans, they'll go up to the dentist's window, they'll slide the card, and the dentist's office will look at this and be like, I've never heard of this one. We don't take it. And then all of a sudden it creates kind of a hiccup. No matter how well you sell it or how well you present it, you're still going to have to field those kinds of calls. And then the other benefit to it is, again, traditional dental insurance, as we all grew up having, it covers, in addition to the other stuff, 2 exams, 2 cleanings, and 1 x-ray provided each year at no charge, once the person meets their $50 plan year deductible. And then the other benefit of the plan is it covers both dentures and implants. A lot of dental insurance plans do not cover implants. The catch is, though, they have what they call the remaining tooth clause. They have to have at least 1 natural tooth left in order for either the denture or the implant benefit to work. If they don't, if they literally buy this insurance and they have no teeth in their head, they won't be able to go and use it to cover dentures. You'd have to look for a different option than this one. So really quick, how to quote and enroll. Basically, you get your own personalized quoting and enrollment link, which I'm going to show everybody in just a second. You can enroll the client yourself right from this link and get credit and paid for it. You could email the link to the client to self-enroll. You get credit and paid for it, and then the policy is issued typically within 1 business day. As I said, this is the dental plan that truly sells itself. So let's take a look. Okay, I turn my head because I have the 2 monitors, and this one's over on my right. So we're going to go ahead and put my zip code 334990. I moved last year, so I forgot. So we go in and we put here. In fact, let me change the screen sharing. Let me bring this over here. Let me change it here. All right, so better. Okay, so sharing over here. I'll bring this over there. Okay, perfect. So we go ahead and click yes for the dental coverage. You can get vision as a standalone. It's about $7 or $8 a month. I'll do vision in a different module. We'll keep this strictly to dental. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and click not now. How many people need coverage based upon the members of the family? We're just going to do 1 just for the purposes of the insurance demonstration. And then basically what it does is it pulls up the different plans available in the area. Again, as a reminder, every state is different. We're just looking at the ones that are in my state. So we have the Primestar Protect Network for $2,000 total benefits. We have the Primestar Protect Network for $1,000 in benefits, and then we have the Primestar Protect for $1,000, which is pure, go see any dentist and enjoy the general benefits. So these 2 PPOs have out-of-network benefits as well. So let's take the $2,000 one. It's not a lot of money, $34. If the person's considering paying $28 a month for this, I mean, for $6 more a month, they get double the benefits. It's a no-brainer. And so if you take a look here, the deductible per benefit year is $50. Maximum benefit is $2,000. And they break the services into 3 categories: preventative, basic, and major. Preventative pays 100% if they go to an in-network provider. If they go to an out-of-network provider, it's 80% year 1, and then year 2 and beyond. Basic benefits are fillings and simple extractions, so cavities and just pulling out a tooth. In-network, year 1 is 65%, year 2 is 80%, and then out-of-network, year 1 is 45%, and then year 2 plus is 60%. And then major is, and again, they just list a few of the majors. There's a whole schedule. But as we know, majors, it's going to be crowns, root canals, oral surgery, dentures, implants, panoramic x-rays, periodontics, and bridges. If they go to an in-network provider, it'll pay 20% out of the starting gate. And then after a year, it'll be 50%. And if they go to an out-of-network provider, they'll pay, the insurance company will pay 10% and 30%. And then obviously, if you have a child on there and the child needs braces, it'll pay 15% out of the starting gate, and then after a year, it'll pay 50%, okay? And then the other benefit down here, the Prime Protect. So in this particular state, you wouldn't really sell this unless the person wanted the in-network benefits for an out-of-network provider. So they had a dentist, they wanted to keep the dentist no matter what, come hell or high water, then you would do the Protect. But if they're open-minded to going in or out of the network, you would do the Protect network. So it's very easy to find a provider. You just click that right there, and it just takes a second or 2 to load up. And then again, I just did my zip code, but this is all the dentists just in my zip code. There's quite a few that are in the network. So it's pretty easy to look up a doctor. You have the zip code here. And then additional filters is where you can put in the distance, you can put in their name, what language they speak, whether they want a male or a female. You'll find that the Ameritas network is a very robust network. And I would say about 70 to 80% of the time, the dentist that they see will be in the network. And if they want to continue to see that dentist, they would be able to see them with the added network based information. So let me bring this back over here. Let me share a different screen. That would be over here. Okay. And then we will wrap this up. Okay. So pretty simple. Once you decide on the dental plan that's going to work best for them, once that's decided, you basically click select plan. Okay. It'll ask you if you want to add division. I was a little bit off. It's $8.50. You go ahead and click enroll now. You pick the date you want the coverage to begin. It could be as early as tomorrow, the email, and then you just basically complete the agreement and you hit submit, and that's it. It's very simple. It's one of the easier apps that are out there. So kind of wrapping up here, what's coming up this week? Let me get this out of there. Oh, wait, that's in here. I'm recording my right screen. But what's coming up this week? Pretty please. I want you guys, please comment below with your questions. Hit the like button below. This is being posted on YouTube. If you have not yet subscribed to YouTube, please do so. We're trying to get those subscriptions up. I'm trying to catch my man Christian out there in the land of Utah, and I got a long ways to go, but I want to get up to his level. Tune in every week for our weekly training. Make sure you catch our Agent Spotlight of the Week every Friday. And as always, I'll go over all of your questions and go over best practices, tips, and strategies so that you can use to help your clients and prospects. Again, just kind of wrapping up here with the Ameritas Dental. This is not a plan you have to sell. It's just something you have to explain. They all say yes.